Cars that make grown men screams and goosebumps. The powerful V12 will vibrate the entire body. These cars pack a punch of speed, agility, power and performance, along with flamboyance, style and swag, all molded into one. In order to buy one of them, you literally have to. Hey guys, my name is Sarah. Here are the world's most expensive super sport cars as of 2020. Number 10. Pagani Huayra BC. The Incan god of winds, Huayra was the inspiration behind the name. The Geneva Motor Show 2016 was where the Pagani Huayra BC was revealed, a more aggressive and lighter version of the unbelievable V12 beast that already exists. BC was upgraded with a range of newer modifications like a huge rear spoiler producing 1,102 pounds downforce, new side skirts and a carbon titanium monocoque that makes BC a lightweight car that weighs just 2,685 pounds. Number 9. Bugatti Veyron Limited Edition Mansory Vivia. The wonderful bunch at Mansory gave the world a 254 mph Mansory Vivia, a strictly limited edition Bugatti Veyron masterpiece. The car is worthy of delivering the impression of refined luxury and a truly fast driving experience. It has an ultra-light carbon fiber body which is very tough, along with a 1200 bhp quad turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 powertrain. One of the best known creations and only two exist in the world. Number 8. Lykan Hypersport. The 3.7-liter twin-turbo monster, Hypersport is jaw-droppingly fast, a monster with diamond-encrusted headlights and scissor doors definitely turns heads. Comes with a 385 km per hour 240 mph top speed and goes from 0 to 100 km per hour 0 to 62 mph in 2.8 seconds. The first Arab supercar is actually an astounding piece of automotive beauty and only 7 of them were ever made. One of the Hypersports was purchased by Abu Dhabi Police. The car was also featured in the Fast and Furious movie. Number 7. Lamborghini Veneno. Veneno, Italian word for poison, a 3-unit exclusive Lamborghini is a 50th anniversary creation. It produces 750 bhp and goes from 0 to 60 mph at a top speed of 355 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds. The 6.5L Veneno is designed to be the most efficient in everything. Carbon skin, a lightweight carbon fiber, is used to cover its entire cockpit. Lamborghini Veneno unsurprisingly and most definitely makes the legendary black and yellow bull proud. Number 6. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. A Swedish supercar that created a legendary machine, one of the most expensive production cars. The company created a dazzling white coating Koenigsegg proprietary diamond weave. It tops every list with a top speed of 410 plus km per hour or 254 plus mph, while its weight distribution is 45% front and 55% rear, along with a fuel capacity of 70 liters, 18.5 US gallons. Trevita features carbon ceramic brakes with ABS, a unique double carbon rear wing, paddle shift, a Cornell exhaust system, a hydraulic lifting system and tire monitoring system. Number 5. Bugatti Divo. The Divo, a W16 8-liter quad-turbo engine that creates 1479 bhp and reaches from 0 to 100 in just 2.4 seconds. This is a super sport car based on the legendary Chiron. Divo is a driving machine that is considered to be a monumental, strictly limited Bugatti series of just 40 cars. It's a track-focused mid-engine sports car. Albert Divo, the French Bugatti racing driver from the 1920s, is the inspiration behind the name. Number 4. Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. Lamborghini's most expensive limited edition Veneno Roadster comes with a 6.5-liter aspirated V12 engine, 750 horsepower at a maximum output of 552 kilowatts. This monster of a car reaches from 0 to 100 in just 2.9 seconds with a top speed of 355 km per hour. In order to achieve optimum safety, instead of a roof, this Hulk has a strong rollover bar along with a 5-modes ISR transmission that makes gear shifting extremely fast. Number 3. Bugatti Cento DC. This is the third time when Bugatti appeared on the list. Cento DC is the model that makes Bugatti's re-entry, a model that is a reinterpretation of the epochal EB110. It was considered the fastest car in 1991. The car is based on the Chiron and with design cues from the EB110. The beast is packed with daytime running LED headlights, an aggressive appearance, quad exhaust pipes, a fixed overhanging rear wing and an underbody spoiler. While it is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.4 seconds, it has an electronically limited top speed 380 km per hour. Number 2. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. Pagani's exotic car Zonda HP, a beast with 789 bhp, a 6-speed manual gearbox, and this hypercar comes with a super powerful 7.3-liter Mercedes-AMG M120 V12 engine. It's one of the costliest cars of recent times as it is capable of reaching from 0 to 100 kmph within just 3.1 seconds. The body consists of carbon titanium composite components and a cropped windshield along with all the other striking features. There are only 3 HP budgeters ever made. Number 1. Bugatti La Voiture Noise. Yes indeed, Bugatti manufactures the most expensive car in the world. La Voiture Naval is one of a kind, with 1,500 horsepower and a quad-turbo W16 engine that accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour within just 2.5 seconds with a top speed of 261 miles per hour. Another fact is that only one will ever be built, a supercar GT of luxury. The model although is based on the Chiron but it's unique and pays tribute to the Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic. If you want more video like this to make sure to subscribe to the channel.